today we have a new convert to convert. So let's start our metric measurements today. So we took Junior 4 in the previous lessons. Kilogram equal 1000 gram and 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter and 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Okay, so this gram and meter and milliliter, we called it as units. So what are our units for today? It's gram, meter and milliliter. Okay, so let's start by the new units we're gonna take for today. So we have kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, and milli. So our units for today is kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, and milli. So we have an abbreviation for these units. So kilo it will be K, and hecto it will be H, and deca it will be DA, and unit U, and deci it will be D, and centi it will be C, and milli it will be L. So I have here this abbreviation, so we have to remember these units by King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Again, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Now we have to take these units. So Junior 4, what are the units we said in the first? It will be gram, meter, and liter. Okay? So if I choose gram, and I'm gonna use the gram in my units to convert, so it will be this one, it will be kilogram, and hectogram, and decagram, and my unit gram. So it will be deci, gram, and centi, gram, and milligram. So my units here, it's gram. That means I measure the weight. Okay, so what about if my unit it was meter? So it will be kilometer, hectometer, and decameter, and my unit is meter, and decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So that means I use meter, that means I measure the length. I measure the length. Okay, what about if I'm gonna use the liter? So it will be kiloliter, hectoliter, and decaliter, and my unit is liter, and deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. So when I use liter, that's mean Junior 4, I measure capacity. So all of this measure, it was for capacity. Okay? So what did that convert from unit to the next one? Let's see. From kilo to hecto, I'm gonna make it times 10. From hecto to deca, times 10. From deca to unit, times 10. From unit to deci, times 10. And this one it will be times 10, and each time I make it times 10. So if I moved from the greater units to the smaller units, if I go forward, I make it times. So from greater to smaller, I make it times. Times what? Times 10. Each time I make it times 10. So what about if I want to convert from kilo to deca? That means I'm gonna move 2 steps. That means 2 zeros. That means I'm gonna make it times 100. What about if I want to go from hecto to DC? Let's see how many? 10, 10, and another 10. So how many 10? It will be 3. And the 3 zeros mean I'm gonna make it times 1000. Okay? So from the greater to the smaller, I make it times 10. What about if I want to move from the smaller, go backward to the greater? I make it divided 10. Each time I make it divided 10. Divided 10. Divided 10. So if I want to move from milli to DC, that means I moved 2 steps, 2 zeros, it will be divided 1000, divided 100, okay? And this is the units for our today lesson. I'm gonna erase it. I'm gonna write it here on this side. So, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So I have here a small notes for you, Junior 4. What is the difference between M and MG? So this M mean meter, but mg mean milligram, and mm millimeter, and ml milliliter. Okay, there's a difference between meter and milligram, millimeter, and milliliter. Now let's start. So from kilo to hecto times 10, and from hecto to deca times 10. Each time I make it times 10. From greater to smaller times 10. From smaller backward to the greater, I make it divided 10. So now let's start to solve. I'm gonna turn off the light to be more clear for you, Junior 4. So now let's start by the first question we have. It's complete. So 24 kilogram equal how many gram? That means I will move from kilo to the unit. What is the unit I have here? It's a gram. So let's move from kilo to the unit. 10, 10, 10. So that means 1000. I'm gonna make it times 1000, so 24 times 1000, it will be 24,000. And 4 kiloliter equal how many liter? It will be 4,000. And now I have 5,300 milliliter equal how many deciliter? So from milliliter to DC, that means I'll go from the smaller to the greater. That means I will go backward 2 steps. 2 steps mean 2 zeros. I'm gonna eat these 2 zeros. When I make this one divided 2, that's divided 2 zeros, mean divided 100. I'm gonna eat these 2 zeros. It will be 53. So Junior 4, times give zeros, but divided eat zeros. Okay? So here I have 15 centigram equal how many milligram? I'm gonna move from centi to milli. That's mean from greater to smaller times 10. So I'm gonna add another 1 zero. It will be 150. Here I have 200 centimeter equal how many meter? So from centimeter to meter, from smaller to the greater, that means I'm gonna make it divided 100. That means I'm gonna eat 2 zeros. It will be 2. So this 2 meter equal how many decimeter? Meter, it's the unit. So from unit to DC, I make it times 10, so it will be 20. I add another 0. So here, Junior 4, 60 kilometer, equal how many hectometer? So from kilo 2 hecto, I make it times 10, so it will be 600. And here 2 hectogram equal how many gram? From hecto to gram, I move 2, so that means I make it times 100, it will be 200. And 200 decimeter equal how many meter? From dc to the unit meter, I make 10 times 1, so it will be 2000. And here 7000 milliliter equal how many liter? From milliliter to the unit liter, I move how many? 1, 2, 3. That means I eat 3 zeros. So it will be 7 liter. Here this one, it will be gram, not liter. So we're gonna correct this one, it will be gram. 3 gram equivalent to 3 gram equivalent, gram here the unit. Equivalent to how many deca and hecto. So if I move to deca, it will be divided, and if I move to divided 10, and if I move to hecto, it will be divided 100. So here I have 9,000 gram equal how many kilogram? I'm gonna hide this one and solve these two together. So 9,000 gram equal how many kilogram? From the unit gram, I go backward to kilogram. That means I make it divided 1,000. So it will be 9. And here, 9 kilogram equal how many decigram? From kilogram to decigram. From kilogram to decigram. So I will go 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So it will be 90,000. And here, 20 decimeter equal how many meter? From decimeter to meter. From decimeter to meter, I will go to make it times 10, so it will be 200 meter. And here 40 gram equal 400 watts. Here junior 4, from gram, I will move to which unit? Let's see, here I have 40. So here I have the same 40, but I add another 1 0. When I add 0, that means I make it times. And 1 0, that means I go one step. So what is the step after gram, after the unit? I have DC. So 40 gram equal DC gram for 100 DC gram. Okay? Now I'm going to erase all of this. So here, 6 which unit equals 60 decimeter. So I will go to decimeter. Decimeter, I eat 1 0. It's 6 without this 0, that means I eat this 1 0. That means I make it divided. So divided what? I will go one step backward to be meter. So 6 meter equals 60 decimeter. Here 5,001 equal 50 kilogram. I will go to gram, kilogram. I'm here in kilogram. Okay? And this 1 0, I add another 2. So that means I multiply this one by 2. 2 liters, that means 100. I will go 2 steps. So it will be decagram. Here Ahmed drinks 5 glasses of water each day. Each glass contains 200 milliliter. And Mona drinks 2 liters of water each day. So here I have Ahmed. So Ahmed drinks each day how many? Let's see. I'm gonna make this 5 glasses each day, and each glass equal 200 milliliter. That means these 2 liters it will be out, and 2 times 5 it will be 10. That means 1,000 milliliter he drink each day. And Mona drinks each day 2 liters. If I want to compare between 2 units, okay, it should be the same unit. So here milliliter and here liter. It's not the same unit. So I'm gonna convert this liter to be 2,000 milliliter. So which one of those drink more? It will be Mona. So Mona drink 2,000 and Ahmed drink 1,000. So Mona drinks more. Let's check our understanding. So now I want to get what is the equivalent unit for 6 meter. Equivalent means the equal unit when I make multiply or make divided. So 6 meter equal how many centimeter? It will be 600. Okay, so 6 meter equal how many decimeter? It will be 60. So here 8 kilogram equal 800 gram? No. 8 kilogram equal 8,000 gram. And 8 kilogram equal how many hectogram? It will be 80. 3 liter equal how many milliliter? It will be 3,000. And 3 liter equal 30 centiliter. Let's see from the unit liter to centi. From the unit liter to centi, I make it times 100, not times 10, so it will be 300 centiliter. In this one, you can create your own. Choose any unit and start to get the equivalent unit for this unit. So we finished Junior 4, this lesson for today. Bye bye and see you in the next one.